Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger car battery. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and some protective gear. Always make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Safety is paramount, so please wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process to prevent any accidents. Now let's locate your battery. For most Dodge Chargers, it's conveniently situated in the trunk. Once you've found it, the next crucial step is to disconnect the terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first, followed by the positive. This minimizes the risk of electrical shorts. After disconnecting, gently remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to prepare for the new one. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated securely, then reattach any hold-down clamps. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. You're almost done. Before closing up, double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. A loose connection can cause issues down the road. Now, start your Dodge Charger to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and everything powers up as it should. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.